My dear students, I will start a new chapter, second relation and functions. You are already learned about the first chapter sets. You learn some definitions on sets, some problems. Okay. So in this chapter, it almost related to the first chapter sets. Now Cartesian products of the set P and Q are the non-empty sets. That means it has some elements in the set P and Q. Given two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product of P cross Q, it can be P cross Q, is the set of all order pairs of the elements from capital P and capital Q. The definition of Cartesian product is capital P cross Q, an order pair P comma Q. The first element P belongs to the first set P and second element Q belongs to the second set Q. This is the definition of Cartesian products of the two sets. Here, if either P or Q, any one of the set is the null set, then the Cartesian product of these two sets is always equal to empty. Okay. So it has some notes. The first one is two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and second element are also equal. If we say any two order pairs are equal, then the first element is equal to the first element, second element is equal to the second element. Okay. And second note, in the set A there are P elements, set B there are Q elements. The total number of elements in N of A cross B is PQ elements. For example, the set A has 3 elements, set B has 4 elements. The total number of elements in A cross B, that is 3 cross 4, 12 elements. Okay. Third note, if A and B are non-empty sets and either A or B is an infinite set, then so is A cross B. If either A is infinite or B is infinite, then the Cartesian product of A cross B is also infinite set. So order pair nothing but it has two elements. It belongs to the first element belongs to the first set, second element belongs to the second set. The order pair can be written as within the common bracket P comma Q. If the next step of the order pair is order triplet, that is there are three sets A cross A. The first element A belongs to the first set, second element B belongs to the second set, third element C belongs to the third set. Then the element A comma B comma C is called an order triplet. Now we will solve some problems on the Cartesian product of the sets. The first question is, if x plus 1 comma y minus 2, x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1, find the values of x and y. It is 1 marks question for your main examination. 1 marks question. Okay. My dear students, look here. The remarks of the first one. If two order pairs are equal, then the first element belongs to the first element, second element belongs to the second one. Now here, the first element is x plus 1. Okay. Here is equal to 3. Same as it is, the second element is here y minus 2. It is equal to 1. Then x equal to, transfer to the 1 to the right side, 3 minus 1. That is x equal to 2. Here y equal to 1 plus 2, then y equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. It's very simple. It is for 1 mark question. Same as it is the second question. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. And also y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Here x by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equal to 1. Take LCM 3, that is x minus 5 equal to 1. Cross multiply 3 here, x minus 5 equal to 3 ones are 3. Then x equal to, transfer to the right side, minus 5, then plus 5, then x equal to what happened? 8. Sorry, here minus 1, then it is also minus 1. So here minus 3. So transfer to the right side, that is plus 5. Then the value of x equal to 2. The value of x equal to 2. Once again, here 5 by 3 to the left side, minus 5 by 3, right side transfer ಮಾಡಿ, minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So take LCM 3, that is x minus 5, minus 1 here, 3 ones are minus 3, minus 5 right side transfer ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 5 minus 3, that is 2. Here 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Take LCM, that is 3. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 by 3. 3 cancel, then y is equal to 1. Next question. If the set capital A has 3 elements and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. So the number of elements in A is equal to 3. Number of elements in B is equal to, it is also 3. Then the number of elements in A cross B is 3 cross 3, that is 9 elements. Okay. Next, 1 mark question. If G equal to 7, 8, H equal to 5, 4, 2, then G cross H can be written as, that is 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Similarly, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. 2, 3 is a 6 element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also H cross G is equal to H cross G, that is 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 2, 8. Okay. Next question. If P equal to A, B, C and Q equal to R, form the sets P cross Q. So you have to form the first set P cross Q. That is what happen. A, R, B, R, C, R. And set Q cross P. That is R, A, R, B, R, C. Are these two products are equal? No. P cross Q not equal to Q cross P. Here the first element A in the Cartesian product P cross Q, but there is no element is first A in the product Cartesian product Q cross P. Okay. Next question. Sixth main. A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3, 4, and C equal to 4, 5, 6. Find A cross B intersection C. First, you have to find out B intersection C. That is 4. Okay. Now, A cross B intersection C is equal to A is 1, 2, 3. B intersection C is 4. That is 1, 4, 2, 4, and 3, 4. Next question. A cross B intersection A cross C. So do it yourself. Second one and third one and fourth one. It's very easiest questions. Okay. So do it yourself and send your homework. Next, seventh main. State whether each of the following statement are true or false. If the statement is false, the given statement correctly. P equal to M comma N, Q equal to N comma M, then P cross Q, M comma N, N comma N. So it is false because P cross Q is equal to what happens? M comma N, M comma M, N comma N, N comma M. Okay. Next, if A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of order pair x comma y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Yes, it is true. Definition of Cartesian product. Definition of Cartesian product. Okay. And the next question is A equals 1, 2, B equals 3, 4, then A cross B intersection empty. Any set with intersection of empty is always empty. So that set A cross empty is also empty set. In the previous note, we already say about this. Any set is a Cartesian product with empty set is always equal to empty. Then P equal to 1, 2 form the set P cross P cross P. It is for 1 mark question. Okay. So first you have to find out P cross P. Then what happen? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Write 2 times 1, 2 cross 1, 2. Again P cross P cross P. Then what happen? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Next here 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. Next 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, the set P has 2 elements, then I want P cross P cross P. 2 cross 2 cross 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. Okay. So do it yourself. Question number 9. Okay. Next question, 10th one. If A cross B equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y. You have to find out set A. The first element belongs to the first set, hence here A and B. And the second element belongs to the second set, hence X comma Y. That's all. Next question. Question number 11. Let A equals 1 comma 2, B equals 1 2 3 4, C equals 5 comma 6, D equals 5 6 7 8. Verify that first one. First you have to find out B intersection C. Then what happen? B intersection C is equal to empty. There is no common element. And after that A cross B intersection C. So that is A cross empty. You know very well it is empty. Equation number 1. Now A cross B. A cross B what happen? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Okay. And A cross C. Then what happen? That is 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Now A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to, there is no common elements, hence it is empty. Equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. Next question. Number 3. Page number 4. A cross C is a subset of B cross D. First you have to find out A cross C. We are already find out the A cross C, that is 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Okay. I want B cross D. Here B cross D. B cross D. Then what happen? 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 7, 1 comma 8. Next 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8. Similarly 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 8. And also 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8. So A cross C have 4 elements, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. All these 4 order pair is belongs to the B cross D, and therefore A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Okay. Next question. Let A equal to 1 comma 2, B equal to 3 comma 4, write A cross B. That is A cross B is equal to 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. How many subsets will be A cross B? N of A cross, number of elements in A cross B is 4. Therefore, number of elements, subsets, that is n of power set of A equal to 2 power 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 60. Hence, the power set is equal to, do it yourself. First one is empty set. Second one is the set itself. Third one is every each element is also a set. That is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want remaining 10 subsets. That is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 2, 4. Similarly, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remaining 5 elements. Okay. That is 2, 3, 2, 4. Remaining 4. That is 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4. That is next 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So remaining 2 subset. That is 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. Next. That is 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. Do it yourself. So total 16 subsets are there. And question number 13, do it yourself. It's also easy. Capital A is P, M. Capital B is Q, R. Similarly, the question number 14 is also for your homework question 3, 2. The set A is X, Y, B is 2, 1. That's all. Here, the Cartesian product of A cross A, 9 elements. First, you have to find out A cross A. Out of A cross A, and that means 9 elements, except minus 1, 0 and 0, 1, list out the remaining element. It is also very easiest questions. So do it yourself. Okay. And question number 16. If R is the set of all real numbers, what do the Cartesian products A cross R and R cross R? R cross R is the two-dimensional space Cartesian product. The first element belongs to first set, second element belongs to the second set. R cross R represents the three-dimensional space, that is the first element belongs to first, second and the third element belongs to the first, second and third sets respectively. If order pair is two-dimensional space, order triplet is a three-dimensional space. Okay, in the next class I will start the next concept, relations. Thank you.